love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste Friends. So today is today is chapter 85 in the entire Python and chapter 2 in the SciPy. I initially thought that the constants I can actually keep it as one lecture, but after seeing the amount of programming involved or the different expressions involved, I think I have a good 14 or 15. So I'm deciding to actually split this into 3 lectures. All right. So today it is the lesson 2, constants part 1. So before we actually go to what is a constant, before we go into the programming, we need to see what a constant is. A constant in SciPy is more focused on scientific implementation. It provides many built-in scientific constants. The constants can be helpful when you're working in data science. Okay, if you're a data science guy, the constants can be helpful. The pi is an example of scientific constant. Okay, so example, let's actually take this and let's actually run this. Okay, from the SciPy, we actually take this and let's actually run this. All right. So if we actually do this, so this is the pi. So the pi is from the SciPy import constants. So prints constants.py. So this more or less we actually did that. So this is what it is. All right. So the constant units. A list of all units under the constants module can be seen use the directory. Usually the dir is a directory function. So we can actually see the list of all the units under this. So if you see the list of all the units under this, I have all these things as list of all units under constants. Okay, see the amount of things here. So this is the directory list of all this directory under constants. Now the unit categories, remember I told you we'll be seeing a lot. So this is what we're going to be seeing: metric, binary, mass, angle, time, length, pressure. We'll be seeing about each and everything. I think it's a good 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, yeah, 13 to 14. So that is why I said I'm going to split this into 3 parts. Okay, so today what we're going to be seeing is when you want to do the metric prefixes, okay, which actually returns a specified unit, this is exactly what we're going to be doing. Okay, so when you want this metric, and then when I actually put this here from SciPy import constants, we actually say print this constants dot iota. Okay, so everything is also here, right? So if you want to actually do this here, print this iota, print this zeta. So the zeta is here, exa, peta, so these are all the metric constants. Okay, peta, peta is here. So everything like that. So whatever it is here, the milli, the micro. So these are all the metric constants. So if I say print this constants of everything in the metrics area, it actually gives me the value of this. So this is in the metric area. Okay, metric prefixes. Likewise, I have for binary. So when I have for binary, I actually take it here and I actually run this here. So these are all comes under the binary. Okay, so in this binary, this is what it is. Okay, you could see everything is a binary, this thing. Okay, now, after this binary, let's actually take the mass. The mass is the kilogram, the unit of this thing is called the mass. So when you want to do the mass, okay, this is what it is. So I can take, so these are all the things: the gram, the metric ton, the grain, the lb, the pound, the ounce, the stone, long ton, short ton, troy ounce, troy pound, carat, atomic mass, m_u, and u comes under the mass. Okay, this thing KB, maybe, GB, TB, PB, XB, ZB, UB comes under the binary, and these things actually come under the metrics. Okay, so this is what you have to know, but the remaining things all is quite easy. So that is what we'll be seeing as well. All right. So as I said, if you're in the data science, this constants is quite useful. It makes complex calculations quite easy. So this is lecture 2 in the SciPy part 1. We will be having at least one more part, maybe 2 more parts. All right, I trust you would have actually seen my lecture, probably enjoyed it and understood the same. If you have any questions, kindly contact me and I should try to explain to the best of my abilities. Like always, I'd like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me a golden back, the other is my wife Jayashree following me to follow my passion. Till we see you next time. Thank you. Take care and cheers.